In this video, the Bitcoin price is trying to break out from this broadening falling wedge, but we are not seeing any buy volume. But the question is, are we going to see this move to the upside, or is this going to lead into a fake out? And on top of that, we are also going to give you a quick update with Axie Infinity and understand where are we headed with Axie Infinity. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa ating previous analysis, what we were monitoring was this broadening falling wedge, and traditionally this is a bullish pattern to the upside, but in order for us to confirm a move, we must have buy volume upon the breakout. And look at this, we are not yet seeing any buy volume for the time being. So this is not yet a confirmed breakout. And typically, whenever na we are seeing these types of movement na nag-breakout siya pero walang buy volume, this can actually lead into a fake out. So in this case, if let's say in the coming hours, wala pa din tayo nakitang buy volume in the 4-hour time frame, then ang kailangan natin tingnan dito would be this support around ito, yung nag-form na support around the 4-hour time frame. So it's going to play around the 40,000 up until the 40.4K. Yung ating magiging technical support for the time being. But yun nga, yun yung case natin if wala tayong makitang buy volume. But if we indeed see any buy volume, then ang first target na titingnan natin would be the 41.3K. So in that case, that one would be our first target with the Bitcoin price action if let's say we did see any buy volume or if we are going to continue this movement. So right now, that is what I'm currently monitoring with the Bitcoin price if we are going to see any buy volume or if this is going to lead into a fake out. Diving in within the hourly time frame, as you can see, we are seeing a lot of support area dito kay Bitcoin price because of this moving averages. So right now, we are seeing a lot of support dito kay Bitcoin price. So this could be a possible pullback. And then if magkaroon tayo ng buy volume, then of course, this could be a possible bounce. Pero take note, buy volume is very important in these types of movement kasi if wala tayong buy volume, then of course, it's more likely going to lead into a fake out. So right now, monitor talaga if you are going to see any buy volume upon this breakout. Pero let's say guys, if you want to trade these small pumps and dump movement to Bitcoin, you can actually trade that with Bybit. And if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign up link that you can find in the description down below. Meron silang iba't ibang deposit bonus. All you have to do is just to check out their website and then just use my sign up code. And then ayun guys, pwede kayo dito mag-trade not only Bitcoin but as well as Ethereum, Axie Infinity, SLP, and many more altcoins na that is swing tradable dito with the crypto market. So just use my sign up link if you want to claim bonus with Bybit. Zooming out with the Bitcoin price action, as you can see, if you're going to look at this in the daily time frame, di ba, yung ating shorter time frame, we have ito. So for our time frame, we have this broadening falling wedge, but you can also see this broadening falling wedge in the daily time frame, which is itong area na yan, no? Yung area na yan, that is the broadening falling wedge. So right now, we are actually trying to test the support area ni Bitcoin. So I think right now, we are seeing a lot of support area dito with Bitcoin price. But in order for us to see this movement to the upside, we badly need a buy volume dito sa 4-hour time frame talaga in order for us to see this movement to the upside. So right now, abang-abang lang talaga with the Bitcoin price kasi right now, we are not yet seeing any buy volume for us to confirm any move for the time being. So that is for the Bitcoin price. Now, let's dive into the altcoin market kasi look at this. Kasi right now, look at this, Bitcoin dominance is still moving sideways. So kung ibig sabihin kung ano galaw ni Bitcoin, ganun din maging galaw ng altcoins. But right now, I think we are going to see an imminent move within siguro the next few days or the next few hours kasi look at this, it's actually getting tighter and tighter dito sa ating Bitcoin dominance. And remember, whenever the dominance is increasing, that would indicate na Bitcoin is going to perform better and altcoins are going to bleed kasi that would indicate people are moving their money to Bitcoin. But if let's say this is going to the downside, that is going to indicate people are selling their Bitcoin and they are moving it to altcoins. In that case, that could be a potential altcoin season, or that is actually an altcoin season if let's say bumagsak to. So right now, the ideal scenario for the altcoin market is for this to go down in order for us to see another altcoin season. And with that being said, let's dive in quickly to some altcoins such as Ethereum. So as you can see, Ethereum right now, we are still retesting this resistance with the Ethereum price action sa ating falling channel. So right now, we don't have any clear breakout pa. But I think this is getting tighter and tighter na kay Ethereum. I think we are going to see a move anytime soon. It's just that we badly need volume upon this breakout lang talaga. Either a bullish volume or a bearish volume. So either buy or sell volume dito. Yun yung ating kakailanganin. And of course, we need a 4-hour candle close above or below the support and resistances. So right now, that is what you have to monitor with the Ethereum price action. And let's dive into Axie Infinity kasi matagal natin siya hindi nabigyan update. And as you can see right now, Axie Infinity is actually forming a clear support and resistance area in the daily time frame. So as you can see, we are actually bouncing off between the support and resistance area in Axie Infinity. So that could indicate na right now, we are actually seeing a potential support area. So if let's say Bitcoin breaks to the upside, at the same time, Ethereum breaks to the upside, then the more chance na baka mag-bounce tayo kay Axie Infinity. In that case, ang magiging target natin dito kay Axie Infinity for the time being would be around the 65 up until the 67 US dollars. If ever na makita tayo ng buy volume within the crypto market with Bitcoin as well as Ethereum, as well as if nakakita tayo ng buy volume doon, hopefully makita sana tayo ng buy volume with Axie Infinity kasi that could be potential bounce area dito with Axie Infinity in the daily time frame. Now, let's try to zoom in within the 4-hour time frame. Let's understand what is happening with the 4-hour time frame. So let's try to look at the indicators closely. So let's try to look at the RSI. You could somehow say that the RSI is declining, but I don't think that that's a clear divergence kasi this could be a potential divergence, but I don't think it's very clear. Kasi look at this. The Bitcoin price is declining, but the RSI is not declining anymore. It's not increasing. It's actually moving sideways. So right now, you have to monitor this if you're going to get a bounce. Pero this is not a clear bullish divergence. Typically, what must happen in a bullish divergence is dapat bumabagsak yung price. At the same time, RSI must be increasing. But ang nangyayari dito is the price is declining and the RSI is not increasing yet. So that is not a confirmed bullish divergence yet. So right now, possible na magkaroon tayo dito ng one last pullback to the downside before seeing that potential bullish divergence. If let's say, mas nag-drop to lower at the same time, mas mataas yung ating RSI, then that could be a potential bullish divergence to the upside. And right now, we have to wait that one out before seeing any confirmation sa ating movement kasi wala pa tayong nakikitang bullish divergence or bullish reversal signals with the Axie Infinity price action. But right now, we are seeing a lot of support area dito kay Axie Infinity around the $44 up until the 45 US dollars. So that could be a key area to watch out for with the Axie Infinity price action within the coming days. So ayun muna update natin for the time being, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.